Did you know that almost 1 billion people worldwide suffer from protein deficiency? Surprising, isn't it? This essential nutrient is a building block for our bodies, aiding in everything from muscle growth and repair to the production of hormones and enzymes. Yet, many of us fall short in our daily intake, leading to potential health risks, like weakened immunity and delayed healing of wounds. But what if I told you that there's a simple, delicious solution hiding right in your refrigerator? Cheese. Yes, you heard it right, cheese. This versatile food is not just a delight for your taste buds, but also a treasure trove of protein. Whether it's a slice on your sandwich, a sprinkle on your pasta, or a block on your cheese board, it's an easy way to amp up your protein intake. Cheese, a common household item, can be your powerhouse of protein. Intrigued? Stay with us. So, cheese as a protein source. You might be wondering, which cheese should you opt for? Let's start with a crowd favourite, cheddar. This versatile cheese not only adds a rich flavour to your dishes, but also brings a whopping 10 grams of protein per ounce. That's a punch of protein in every bite. Moving on to Swiss cheese, a staple in sandwiches and fondue. An ounce of Swiss cheese offers 8 grams of protein, and its distinct nutty flavour can elevate any dish. Next up is mozzarella, the star of your pizzas and caprese salads. It offers 7 grams of protein per ounce, not to mention it's a great source of calcium. But what about cottage cheese? This humble cheese is often overlooked, but packs a protein punch with 14 grams per half a cup. It's light, creamy, and a fantastic addition to salads, breakfast bowls, or simply on its own. Now, let's venture into the realm of lesser known but high protein cheeses. Ever heard of Gruyere? This Swiss cheese, with its creamy, nutty flavour, offers 8.5 grams of protein per ounce. It's a fondue favourite and a perfect melt on a croque monsieur. Then we have Roquefort, a French blue cheese known for its strong flavour and crumbly texture. It gives you 7 grams of protein per ounce. If you're a fan of strong flavours, Roquefort could be your new go-to protein source. Each of these cheeses brings its unique flavour and texture to the table, along with a good dose of protein. And remember, while cheese is a great source of protein, it can also be high in saturated fats and sodium. So moderation is key. Choosing the right cheese for your protein needs doesn't have to be a chore. It can be an exciting journey of exploring new flavours and textures, all while helping you meet your daily protein goals. As we can see, there's a cheese for every taste and protein need. But how can you incorporate these into your daily diet? Now that we know which cheeses are protein rich, how do we include them in our meals? Well, it's easier than you might think. Let's dive into the world of cheesy goodness and explore how to make these high-protein cheeses a staple in your diet. First, let's think about the most straightforward way to enjoy cheese. Straight off the block. A slice of Swiss or a cube of cheddar can be a quick, protein-packed snack. Pair it with some fruit or whole grain crackers for a well-rounded, nutritious nibble. But don't stop at snacks. We can take it up a notch by adding cheese to our main meals. Ever thought of sprinkling grated parmesan over your morning scrambled eggs? Or perhaps stuffing your chicken breast with creamy Gouda? These little tweaks not only enhance the flavour, but also give a significant protein boost to your meals. Next up, sandwiches. Whether it's a classic grilled cheese or a gourmet panini, sandwiches provide a perfect canvas for our protein-rich cheeses. Try using slices of mozzarella or provolone for a melt-in-your-mouth experience. And if you're a fan of wraps and burritos, some crumbled feta or shredded cheddar can add a delightful, protein-rich twist. Salads too can benefit from a cheese upgrade. A sprinkle of crumbled blue cheese on your spinach salad, or some diced Gouda on your Greek salad, can elevate the taste while adding a good dose of protein. And let's not forget, a cheese platter can be a fantastic way to sample a variety of high-protein cheeses. Pair them with fruits, nuts, and whole grain bread for a balanced, protein-rich spread. Remember, cheese is not just for those aiming to up their protein game. It's a versatile, tasty food that everyone can enjoy. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy parent, or a foodie, these high-protein cheeses can add flavour, texture, and nutrition to your meals. So say goodbye to protein deficiency and hello to delicious, cheesy meals. Go ahead, give these cheeses a try and hit your daily protein goal effortlessly